Hi friends, welcome to TutusFunny channel. In our last video, we talked about the inventory management system using Tailwind using JavaScript. So today I'm bringing the video of something different. Okay, this way I have the UI interface. I have make it as something different like this way. You will be able to see. I have put it to an animation here. So here you will be able to see the animation as well because this is not this process is very good. Okay, the look is very attractive. So we have to enter the product name, product ID, product name. I'm going to span quantity 2. Here price. Here click add button. The item should be added in the list. Very beautiful. Okay, this kind of inventory we have people are like. Okay, so here earlier I have did it the small one, so I am version 1. I am going to make it as a version also. We have to put the version 2. This is a version 2 version also I have to implement it over here. Okay, we are right nice add but add here you have to icon also should be there. This is very user friendly. Okay, this kind of a system people are likes. So here the balances should be we have to pay. And we have to pay balance here, right? 5,000 here. Your balance should be green. So if it is less, it will be shows as a red. If it is pay, it has been green. Success. So this is how we have system works. So here is another one product ID, TV, quantity 2, 12. Here it's working. 15. Okay, it's working fine. So this is a kind of a system how to make step by step. Will teach my next video tutorial. These are the system you must understand how to develop the point of sale system from the scratch. So using Tailwind and JavaScript. Okay, you have to learn properly. Then only you will be able to customize this kind of system. This is very important stuff while you go to the interview and all. Thank you for watching.